Hi everyone, this is Team Algozenits and I'm the team lead Ochishwan Chakraborty speaking. So now my other team members will introduce themselves.
Hey everyone, I am Snehil.
Hi everyone, I am Shohan.
We have basically built a product named as CUREBIRD. So it is a personalized AI powered medical portfolio for the patients where they can utilize it to bring all their scattered prescriptions, lab reports, and images, medical images to a single digitalized platform and which is also personalized and AI powered. And if anyone is thinking about the security of their data, medical data, then we will warn you at the first that we are using bank grade HIPAA security, which uses a technique known as AES 256 encryption type. So basically, we are using Firebase as the backend, and Firebase uses this type of techniques. So you don't have to think about the data security part, and basically, our CureBird has these four core features, which are Cure Analyzer, Cure Statistics, Cure AI Coach, and Cure Tracker. This Cure Analyzer is basically a medical document analyzer, which analyzes your document within a few seconds and provides you with a very organized and medically context aware output of the medical document that you have uploaded. Also, this feature uses a triple core AI engine where there is one AI which extracts the OCR, and there is a secondary AI which is a context aware engine which searches for all those OCR to check or verify that all the information are correct or not. And then there is a third AI which takes all those inputs in and gives a summary out of it. And this is a Cure statistics page. Basically, the health data is fragmented. Like the national health data is fragmented all over the internet, right? So there is no platform right now which like takes in all the information and shows it with a proper bar graph representation or a proper visualization. So we have made that possible, and this is basically a dash work as a dashboard which will include all the national disease trends and all the related information regarding the national disease burden of India. And this is a Cure AI coach. Basically, this is nothing but a normal AI chatbot, but with functionality of a context aware engine. So basically, when I say about context aware engine, basically I mean medically context aware engine. So we have fed the Cure AI with medical contexts and a proper I have fine tuned it with a proper system prompt so that it gives no, it does not give a generalized output but a well formatted output. And also this is Q tracker. So basically this will track a variety of profiles for you, like for example, lipid profile or hypertension or other details that I will show you later in this video. So this was about the landing page of our project, and we also have made our terms and service and privacy policy to deal with the legal compliance as well. And so let's dive in. So I will first log into a patient portal and will create an account. Let's choose this one. So this is the dashboard page of our website. So all the details regarding what we are offering are listed here. So basically, what I told about was you can store all your medical related information in this platform, right? So how you can do it is basically by clicking this add record button. So this will open a model for you. Then if you select this and upload a prescription, let's say I upload this one. So as you can see, this is a handwritten prescription, right? So when I upload this, then it will auto detect the conditions like the name and facility. And as it has not detected the medications right now, so let's try with a different file in this case. Let's try this one. Okay, so it has detected a variety of conditions and detected medications and also the doctor name and facility. So basically, all the system is automated, as we have made sure that the patient doesn't have to do much work here. And now I can save this record in our medical history categories, which I will show you. So it got saved. It got saved here. It will show you as the prescription and the name, whatever there was, and the doctor name and the facility name. So you can also view this by clicking this view receipt button. So yeah, so you can see this here. Let's close this. And this was basically the primary feature that we are providing. And also there the core features that I was telling about. So let me show them to you one by one real quick. So this is Cure Tracker, this is Cure Analyzer, Cure Statistics, and Cure AI. So let's go to Cure AI first. And if I say something like, so as you can see, it gives an well formatted output. And also it is medically context aware. So basically the names of the medications that it will give will not, you know, will not be hallucinated responses of AI, right? So as you can see, it has given crocin and Dolo 650 paracetamol, which is legit real medicine, right? So, and also we have also given here a note or a disclaimer that this is for general information purposes and should not be considered as substitute for professional and medical advice to deal with the legal compliance, right? So we have given these disclaimer in all over our website. So this was Cure AI, and let's check out this Cure tracker. So basically here you can add a variety of conditions, like all these conditions are available right now about diabetes, cardiac, lipid profile, thyroid profile, blood pressure, weight tracker, uric acid, and everything. So let's try one, lipid profile. Let's build. So yeah, it is created, and now you can see a graph here. So this was previously recorded, so it is showing this kind of logs. So you can always delete these logs and add new ones if you want. So basically, this also acts as your primary organizer for all your documents, right? Because here in the document section, you can always upload the particular profile that you have tested for, right? Like for example, this is lipid profile, so you can upload here the document of lipid profile, and then what our AI engine will do is basically, let me show you. So suppose this is a report of lipid profile. Let me upload it. So basically, our AI engine will auto detect the details. As you can see here, it will auto detect, and we can confirm and save, as it is saying that successfully set 5 ratings. So here you can, in the overview section, as you can see, for every parameter, the values have been added, right? As you can see here. So for every parameter, this will get on adding, and also you can always see a 1 year trend analysis or a graph analysis, right? So the main problem that occurs is in home at home when we are like testing all these things. So we test those things in maybe 2 months or 3 months. After 2 months or 3 months, so we might lose that data, right? We might lose that PDF. So, so that we don't lose it, so we have made this documents page where you can save all those data. And also, A graph analysis will be shown here, which if clicked on this doctor view, you can also always show this report to a doctor where you will go later. So yeah, so this was it about
So
Cure
basically, it
Tracker.
acts as your health monitoring assistant.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
Q
So
tracker.
yeah, so it is basically a health monitoring assistant, which monitors all your diseases and lipid profiles and all disease metrics, right? So then we have Cure Analyzer. So this is medical document analyzer. So let me show you first one thing. So the problem that we might face or have faced in our daily lives is basically the handwritten prescriptions that we get from doctors. So it is sometimes it is very much difficult for us who don't know medical jargons or don't know medical terms to decipher whatever is written in the doctor's prescription, right? So what we always do is we go to a medical representative or a medical shop, and the medical representative or the medical shop owner, whoever is present there, he or she tells us whatever is written in the prescription, right? So we have
So
completely
previously,
yeah, tell.
previously we always had to rely on the medicine shop to decode our prescriptions, but our new technique will let you know instantly what exactly is there in your prescription. It will decode almost everything in the prescription
Yeah, yeah,
in a digital well formatted way.
yeah, yeah. So of course that is the case, and when I click this initiate analysis button, so it will not take more than 1 or 2 seconds to analyze everything with all the detected conditions and lab findings. So what you can do, there are four options here, as you can see. So basically, you can save this document as well, and you will find this saved document at that medical history category, right,
In
where
the
all the
In the
dashboard.
medical
documents.
records, in the
Yeah,
medical records section, you will
medical
find it.
record section. And if you click on this button like save record, so what this does is it will analyze what disease you have, and if there is a disease or there is a condition available in the cure tracker page, then it will synchronize with it and add a new condition to there. And also, if not a new condition, if it matches with an existing condition, then it will add these values to the graph that I showed before. Right, so we have made it completely automated, as you can see. And also, if you want to ask questions regarding this document that you have uploaded, you can always ask our QRAI system about it. So it will generate the context and feed it to the QRAI. So I can say like this.
So basically, the patient will not need to tell the context. It will previously have the context also
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
uploaded documents. So like everything is automated in our system. Yeah, give that prompt.
So it will give you a well documented or well formatted output, as you can see. So it says that the report provides an analysis of your current health status. So it will like let you know about all the medical terms that was written there, and also what insights you can decipher from that report. It will also tell about various medications. You can always check it otherwise, right? In the internet, or maybe some medical professional, and also it will recommend you a few steps. And we have always, as I've said previously, we have always written or added this note thing to deal with any kind of legal trouble, to avoid any kind of legal trouble. And also, we showed Cure
Abstract.
Tracker, Cure Analyzer, Cure Statistics is still left. So let me show you this Cure Statistics page. So basically, this is an overall view of the national health data, right? Curated in a very well formatted and visualized represented manner. As you can see here, all the national health indices are showcased here, and it shows the regional impact, like what are the total number of disease cases in every like most important states right now of India. And also there is a live heat map feature. We have actually utilized the JavaScript Maps API key from Google Cloud. So this will show you the exact heat map, live heat map of the disease trends currently prevailing in all over, like prevailing all over the India, right? So
And
you
here
can,
the red areas show a massive concentration of the disease, and the blue area shows a less
yeah,
concentration
yeah, yeah.
of that
So
particular disease.
there are two areas basically, red zone and blue zones, as Sohan said. And you can also search here any about any disease, like let me search here chikungunya. So it will always show you that what is the current estimated cases. So why this shows as estimated cases is because we have like generated synthetic data, right? So the data is not available currently for more than 1 hours from the government sites. So what we decided was we used synthetic data to showcase this. And this is not a normal AQI based view, as you can see here. So you can always see the AQI and check it out from the internet, right? So we have made it somewhat interesting. So we have an equivalent of this AQI as the number of cigarettes smoked, right? As you can see here. So as the New Delhi was pre-selected, so 450 AQI like means that it is equivalent to 13.2 cigarettes smoking, right? So it uses a methodology given by Berkeley Art, right? You can always find it out and search it up in the internet what it is about. And we have three forms of this. Like there's time thief. It will show that actually that how many years are actually potentially cut from your total lifespan if this pollution levels persist, right? So as you can see, this is very much interesting that we have made. And this is about particulate load kind of thing, like how much pure toxic dust you have inhaled. Okay. And these are various other aspects of this Q statistics page. And this is occupational wellness. So if you search for any kind of occupation, then disease related to the occupation and all the necessary steps that needs to be taken will show up here. So let me try one disease. Sohan, tell me one occupation that I will
So,
search it.
so let us try with software engineer only, as we are all
Okay.
from the
Yeah,
domain
we
only.
are from this domain, so let us search for software engineer. So as you can see, it will show you the occupational risks, and you might think that this might show a nonsense, but actually, if you see and focus that carpal tunnel syndrome, numbness in wrist hand from repetitive typing, so it is not hallucinating, right? It is actually giving the real data and actually giving real insights. So you cannot question this Q statistics page because we have made it
Yeah,
so.
and these risks that are depicted here actually happen to a software
Yeah,
engineer.
yeah,
So
yeah.
we can always see.
So these are all like valid data. You cannot question us on this thing, right? So you can also see this recommended specialists and common medicines also here. This is some health metrics that India uses. I'm not going deep into this kind of things. Let us go here. So we have also given a state health profile. Like if you select a state, then it will show what all prevalent diseases are on the peak right now. Like COPD and
And
asthma are peak in West
currently
Bengal.
we have 5 states depicted here, but we will keep on adding
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
states
We'll keep on
as we
adding.
will progress. Yeah.
So as you can see, risk factors, common symptoms, all ages affected ages are shown here, and then there is national disease burden. So it is taking time to load actually. Yeah. So see here. So it is basically type of disease categorized. It is categorized into type of disease and the total prevalent number of prevalent diseases currently in India. As you can see, acute morbidity and general clinical burden. Under this, there are these diseases acute respiratory infections. So if I open one of these models, then you can see a variety of details like the time frame of this data, and then the sources where it has been taken, and the research metrics as well, the top medicines, the age groups, the gender splits, and the 5-year trend analysis. And for the AI researchers and model trainers, what they can do is they can export this data in the form of CSV dataset, which they can later utilize while building any kind of models, right? So
They
yeah,
can
all
always download the data on their local systems. Yeah.
yeah. So we have given that privilege to our users. And so this was all the four core features, and we have also made a doctor access portal. So this will basically create a 1 hour access link for the doctors. So let me show you. So this, if this QR code is scanned by the doctor, then the doctor will get a temporary shared link, as you can see here. So the same link will be forwarded to the doctor. So if the doctor opens that link, then for 1 hour, the total medical profile is accessible for the available for the doctor to see, right? So yeah, so all this was all the things that we have made, and we have also working on. We are also working on this family profile thing, which is not yet ready. And also there is a contact page. If the user wants to contact us with a message, so they can always drop a message here and send the message. So this is directly connected to the email.js platform, to my email, and for which all the actually all the emails will be forwarded to my email address, basically, because I'm the team lead. So this was all of it, and I already
Lastly, we
said
have the
about the
terms and privacy policies.
terms and privacy policy, as I've said.
Which are
And
always good.
as this is a hackathon, and lastly, what I want to tell is, as this is a hackathon and we are building products, so if we do not monetize it, then there is no point in building these products, right? So we have monetized these as well. So we have connected Razorpay system and like a variety of subscription-based systems. So if you choose a free plan, then you will get to use these features, and there are two other plans as well. And there is a 14-day free trial as well for this premium one. So first, for there will be 14 days free trial, then 99 per month will be like the existing auto pay system, as all of us know. So that will be set up.
Implemented. That will
And
be implemented. That will be automatically charged.
yeah. So, and also we especially for the judges, we have given a code which the judges can use for checking out all our features which are available in the premium. This is valid for 2 to 3 days from now. So this was all. Thank you. And I hope the judges like our project. And whoever is seeing this project, I urge you to check this from our official site, that is curebird.tech. And good evening, good night. Thank you.
Thank you.